How to find profitable niche on YouTube. Do you want to start a YouTube channel but don't know what topic to focus on? You are stuck at the point I have the knowledge but I don't know where to start? Scared that if your niche going to be profitable or not, or even worse, you will not get no views? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to niche down and find a profitable YouTube channel, as by finding your niche on YouTube, you get estimated overview about the best YouTube niches that are best for you to make money online from day one before enrolling in YouTube partner program. Hey everyone, this is Biba. I'm here to help YouTuber beginners to choose the right way to make money online from YouTube techniques. Please make sure to support us, subscribe to get updated about our new series about validating making money online YouTube. Finding the right niche for YouTube to have profitable YouTube channel can be difficult or confusing, as it is an important huge step because it's the foundation of your channel. Also, it is hard to figure out where to start when you are not sure what kind of content will work best for your audience. You may have a lot of ideas, but it's tough to figure out which one are worth pursuing and which one should be abandoned. Let's first know a few basic definitions and explain them in the simplest way. What is niche? What is YouTube niche? So in these tutorials, we will talk about YouTube niche and how to find your profitable niche. So a niche is a specific area of focus. You have broad topic. You find more focused topic. Less broader, and more focused until you find a specific focused niche or niche down. This is your area. This is your knowledge is based about. So the niche is term used in a business to describe a market area that is not very competitive but with high demand, less competitive and high demand. A lot of people are searching for this topic and want to listen it regardless how many YouTube videos are making about, but a lot of people want to know different opinion, different methods, different tips and tricks about this niche. So the goal here, if you are to niche down to find your focus niche, so you can start and grow up your YouTube channel. Let me give you an example of broad niche. Health, wealth, happiness. Any sub niche or any YouTube channel topic will fall down in this broad niche: health, wealth, and happiness. Like health, weight loss YouTube channels. Okay, wealth, make money online, finance. Okay, happiness, like entertainment. This is the main broad niche, and this is the branches from that niche. For example, health niche, we want to make YouTube channel about weight loss. But can I make YouTube channel about just weight loss? No, this is still a broader niche, but less broader. Goal here to niche down until I find a topic that is less competitive with high demand. How about weight loss for kids? How about weight loss for older people? How about weight loss for pregnant women? How about pregnant women with diabetes? How about older people with weight loss resistant? and when you have the momentum, you will go back. Let's say YouTube channel audience is like this chart by the weight loss audience. This is the audience, the segment of audience that watching YouTube videos about weight loss. You will target only this area, okay? This area for kids. This is the area or the segment of audience that mothers or parents has kids and they want to either maintain their optimal weight or have weight loss resistance, optimal weight or have weight loss resistance. When you get momentum and get noticed and get more views, you want to add more segment when your views become steady like this. So you need adding a new segment and go from niching down to niching up. This is the segment of audience of pregnant women with diabetes. But the most important part, why you should have focus or niche down YouTube channel. For the first segment, your first 20 to 30 videos must be focused down. For me, I have posted about more than 200 shorties about one. So I have told the algorithm, YouTube algorithm, what is the main or my focus or niche down. I have the segment I have. The segment of my audience I have teached YouTube algorithm, the segment of my audience I'm targeting, the one who's searching for high CPM YouTube channel ideas or try to find profitable YouTube channel ideas. This is my first segment of YouTube videos. You want to increase your CPM. What is CPM? Cost per 1,000 views. You maybe get shocked about this ultimate truth, but this is the whole thing you are doing to get high CPM niches. Let's say, for example, your channel has your CPM is $1. So, okay, $1. So you want to make $3,000 of income from YouTube partner program. How many views you want to get this $3,000? Let's say $1 equals to 1,000 views. Okay, so you want to earn $3,000. So how many views? Wow, will shock you. You need 3 million views per month to get this amount of money. So how about if your CPM is like $100, okay, or let's say $10, okay? So for 1,000 views you will get $10. Or how about if I want 3,000 views? So how many views I need per month? Only 300,000 views per month. If your CPM is $100, so you need per month 30,000 views per month. What is the relation between making niche down YouTube channel and CPM? Because when you are making focused YouTube channel videos that is targeted by advertiser, I want to play the ad to be seen by their target audience. So when you make general YouTube videos or not specific or not niche down, so the advertiser want to bid on your videos, okay? But when you make YouTube channel, focus YouTube channels, for example, for weight loss, product review, product review. Let's say, for example, I'm an advertiser and I want to sell my ebook about weight loss resistance. Do I want to make my ads shows on entertaining videos, or do I want my ad to show on YouTube videos about weight loss resistance? So I bid more, the CPM increase, and then what happened? Your earning will increase. This is how you can increase your CPM, by creating on making niche down YouTube channel videos or focus YouTube channel videos to increase your CPM. To succeed on YouTube, you have audience, you have YouTube advertiser, and you have audience, and you. Okay, and you. So how make this relationship work? How to make our relationship work? YouTube want to keep both these parties on their platform. Here from the audience, what they want from their audience. They want watch more videos. Okay, what the YouTube want from advertiser, want them to pay more from ads for advertising on the platform. When YouTube channel will promote you, when satisfy these needs, make your audience watch more YouTube videos, and targeting the advertiser by making niche down videos, so advertiser will bid more on your videos to show their ads on your videos. Please, if you like the content so far, the next step you should do, validating this niche. To answer all of this question, please make sure to hit this button to watch our next video about validating your sub niche. Also, please write in a comment below the niche you have in mind, so I can choose one of the comment and make it a demonstration in the next video.